Oh yeah, this is Logic on steroids. Thanks for joining the channel. Thanks for subscribing, all my subscribers. Please hit like on this video, share this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. Let's try to get 10,000 subscribers before March 2026, y'all. All right. This video here is another crazy one. You know how I do it. I don't really too much get to it. Just hit y'all with the let's go. But if you don't want to hear my commentary on this video, go ahead, click on this card on the top right here. Bam! Stop complaining. I can't stand you commentators complaining about me talking on the video. That's what this is about. If you don't like it, click on that card. All right? Let's get into it right now.
Are you ready?
What's going on?
You did a little county jail.
What's going on?
How you doing, buddy?
You need him to go home.
What happened?
Screaming. Oh God.
There's really
Huey and Concord.
yeah, there's really nothing wrong.
What happened?
No,
Well, clearly something happened. I just saw her shove you.
yeah, she angry. She's finally out of the hospital. Life's moving too fast. Ain't in college. Should be in college. You didn't see me swinging.
No, I
Because I know
didn't see
she's
you
I know she's upset. Now,
Are you guys related?
Can I speak to you for a second?
Look, why? He's trying to defend her, and he's the victim of her violence. She's trying to put his ass away.
Yeah, right now we'll just hang out right here.
All right.
Are you guys related?
No, that's my ex-wife for 21 years.
That's your ex-wife.
I raised her 16 years by myself.
That's your
I raised
daughter?
her in this building 6 years by myself. And the mother came around 2 years ago
Okay.
and got her started on drugs, crack, Molly, this and that.
Wow.
So I have to restrain my anger, which I did. She's been martial act, now she's well.
Okay.
So she's doing 80% better.
Okay, let me talk to
she's
you
doing
over there.
80% better.
Can you hang out with her? She's detained at the moment.
Remind y'all, the officer said he seen her hit him.
Come over here. Sir.
Yeah, that's what we were waiting on,
The
Uber.
last Uber would not take the pet inside the car.
So what's going on?
And my daughter and her.
What's going on today?
Nothing, that's it.
Well, there's not. Was it?
That's all we're waiting on is the Uber.
Who were you arguing with? Her or her?
I wasn't really arguing with anyone, but me and her been arguing for 20 years.
Okay.
20 years. Over this one.
But she hit you. Did you hit her at all?
No, she didn't hit me.
I just saw it.
I
I just saw her hit you.
no, she just let some steam out. I'll let you
You
know
have
when
ID?
I'll let you know when I get hit.
You have ID on you, sir?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
No, stop.
Oh.
Whoa.
Excuse me.
Whoa.
We don't give you. We
Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop. Stop. Why? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Get over here. Get over
She
here.
look lost.
Get over here. Hey, she's secure. She's
Ooh.
secure. She's secure.
Why
She's
am I on the
secure. She's secure.
ground? Hey, record this! Record it! Record! I didn't do anything!
I got her.
Look at the dog. He's concerned.
Angelo, I got her.
Look, I recommend this to all y'all YouTube watchers. Y'all go on y'all YouTube channels. I mean, go to your favorite YouTube channels and watch what you want to watch. I recommend y'all watch some body cam videos and learn a little about the law, especially when it comes to domestic violence. Okay, I don't think she knew anything about domestic violence because she's surprised that she's about to go to jail.
Yep.
Hey, why am I
Roll over.
Stay down! Stay down! I didn't do nothing.
Roll over.
Yeah!
When I tell you you're being detained,
Stay down!
You don't say no.
Stay down!
Sit up.
What did I do?
Sit!
I didn't do
Hey, don't pull a
anything.
taser on me, man. Come on, man.
Listen.
Come on,
you
man.
should fucking listen.
What am I doing?
How he get on the ground?
He's the one that's screaming at everyone. I'm trying to call over. We just got
I got
the
two at
tower.
taser point. Give us a couple more. We got one secured so far.
My dad's on the ground.
What's happening?
They punched him in the eyes and got a taser on my mom.
What's happening, sir? So why are you here? What's happening?
Why is
For
every...
a violence issue.
There's no
No violence.
Alright,
We're perfectly fine.
Concord. You got one detained.
You should ask me. Sir.
He spoke to you clearly. I didn't say nothing mean to y'all. Nobody.
Stay
said nothing
seated.
disrespectful.
You don't understand.
Stay seated.
Our Uber was literally here. We were leaving.
Doesn't matter. If I tell you to stop, you're gonna stop.
Well, he should have been.
Because if I tell you to stop, you're going
But
to
you
stop.
never even spoke to me.
I said, hey, you're not going anywhere.
But why?
Because I said so.
They're both cool.
I really hope that the image of him being on the ground, looking not so well, does something to these two women. You know what I mean? Because lately, a lot of women, they don't give a damn about men suffering or anything. You see how she was just trying to put him under the jail just now. And he was over here trying to defend her, even though the officer seen her him.
I said so. That's
Hit
why.
him.
What did we
Because
do?
I said so. And so if once you say no,
That's the law, right? Because it says so, right?
there you go.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah, that's that saying that white bullshit I got. So what you arresting us for?
Yeah, that's it.
So what you arresting us for?
I mean,
Ain't none of us do shit. It's all on camera.
Was here. He's been screaming.
What, tell our phone cops outside for 3 people on the ground.
He's been sprayed. They both need to be secured.
Why would I need
Oh, he been sprayed.
Don't argue with the officer. Do it now. Relax, Mom. Relax.
Yeah, please today.
Relax.
He needs to be secured, and he's been sprayed.
Sir,
Okay, do me a favor. Yeah. I'm gonna have you sit on your butt.
They ain't even see you.
This is all his fault.
Take us, ma'am. Take us.
There you go. Here, turn around and we'll sit you on the curb, okay?
Hey, man, y'all talk to man. I would like to talk to one sane officer, please.
All right. You're good now. Yep, everyone's good.
You can cancel a 44 for hour.
Can I speak to one sane officer here, please?
blind. Not blind for liberty. Blind.
He is legally blind.
It is
Okay.
the prescription. I got you. Yeah, we got firefighter. What do you need?
Stevie, they all started getting on top of us
Yeah, we
while
can
we were
speak,
securing
ma'am.
her. Right now, they're all probably.
Right now, you resisted me, so you're not getting up anywhere. Okay?
But what did I do wrong?
You resisted me. I already told you that.
Okay, but how can you fix
When
it?
I start putting my hand, we're not fixing it. When I put my hands on you, I tell you to put your hands behind your back.
But I
You're going.
didn't.
No,
I didn't kick you.
You
I didn't.
tensed up like this.
Well, because I didn't understand
And
how
you
you're grabbing me.
That's it.
That's a normal human response. I just pepper sprayed my blind guy. Can you please take my dog and take... Yo, what the f...
Stop. Gather your belongings.
Yo, I'm just
You're
trying
in
to get my
custody.
girlfriend's number.
Right now, you're detained. That's how it goes. I already told you this. You want to resist? That's how it goes.
I sprayed them too.
Why am I?
Well, I sprayed him primarily.
I don't consent.
No, I want a taser gun because they were both while Mayor was securing her. That stirred up the bee's nest.
This is her dad, this is her mom.
Okay.
So this is their biological parents, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
From what
This is
they
her
told me.
biological parents.
Can you do a search for me? She's going to jail.
She told us about
Why am I going to jail?
Hey, we're not talking anymore. Until you get
What am I getting arrested for? Why am I...
Gemini told you earlier. That's why you're getting arrested.
I didn't do anything. I did not do anything. I didn't do anything. But I didn't do anything.
My car's in the back here.
This is your fucking
So as I pull up,
Hey, stop. Whoa, stop.
Wow.
What are you doing? Kick it.
Let's just level up.
New level shit.
Raise the charges. Yeah, they got her in the air.
Delta 40. Mary, you want to go on the other side? Delta 40.
Huh?
You want to go on the other side, pull her feet through?
Yeah.
Delta 40, let me get an OFD one time.
You search your pockets real quick?
Yes. All right. Do what I heard they're already here. Somebody.
On some David Copperfield shit.
You gotta calm down. You're causing this on yourself. You gotta calm down.
Well, then stop resisting.
It hurts.
Stop resisting.
It hurts, man.
Only women can act tough like a man and go right back to crying like a woman again, like a child.
Waste.
Men can't do
Did
that.
not get to do her waist?
Y'all took her away.
I understand.
Pick a struggle. You gonna be a chick or you gonna be a dude?
The other side.
Bitch ass cops. Fucking white ass crackers. Bitch ass fucking crackers. You like no.
Yeah.
Try that. She kicked me, so might be over
Racist?
here.
No.
I got her back, Nancy.
I'm working for these racist ass crackers.
Hey.
I didn't even do shit. I didn't do nothing. Okay, man. I can talk to you.
Hey, what's your name?
Don't worry about it.
I can't hear you. What's your name?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Hey, man. Where's my dog? Yo!
Huh?
Where's my dog?
I don't know.
Look for him, bitch. Look for my fucking dog, bitch!
Stop.
Go look for my fucking dog, bitch!
We all can see who was the primary aggressor at this point. I mean, come on.
Stop kicking my door.
Or what, bitch? Do it then. Touch me again, motherfucker. Do it in front of your boss, bitch. Turn your ass. God should have never had your ass. I don't know why God put people like you on this earth. Bitch ass. Go find my fucking dog. Go find my dog! Hey!
Stop kicking my door.
Yo!
Stop kicking my door.
Or what, nigga? Hey! Y'all need to find my dog! Where is my dog? Alright, well, I'm trying to talk to this bitch ass. Yeah.
Hold on, don't open the door too much.
You know I already paid for break. Okay, so
If I can't get my purse, I want you to have my purse.
okay, where's your purse?
He got it.
Okay, so you do understand you're gonna go to jail, and they're taking your father to jail too because when he rolled up, he saw you push him. He didn't see your dad push you first.
So he arrested for what? Battery?
Yeah, DV battery, but of course he's probably not gonna file charges, so it'll just get thrown out.
That ain't how it work. Well, the state filed charges or something. I'm not sure if they proceed and go forward.
Arrested for nothing! The racist ass cop. I'm mad at this motherfucker right here. This bitch ass white cop. Your mama sucked your dick for no reason. Bitch, your mama should have kept her pussy to herself. Girlfriend, I don't want that small ass dick in your thing. Use some lights, homie. I know you like feeling powerful. You like feeling like you got all the power in the world. Control freak ass motherfucker.
She was charged with failure to appear on a felony warrant, battery, resisting an officer, and battery on a law enforcement officer. However, all charges were later dropped, the case was dismissed, and she was
Y'all see these slap on the wrist they get? This is crazy.
ultimately issued a no-contact order involving her father.
All that for nothing. Slap on the wrist. Dude, why they ain't do that for me? Why, when I was back there wilding out? Come on now. Anyways, go ahead, like this video. Show this channel right here some support. They the one provided the video right here. All right, they got more video content. If you want to check out some more videos over there, also subscribe to Logic on Steroids. All right, and don't forget I got the Crazy Clock playlist. All right, check out them shorts, Crazy Clock shorts.
Are you ready?
All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.